sa piling mo. So today is a steak. No, it's not steak. It's salmon day. So I just put some black pepper and I put some bit of paprika, and also I put some oregano, and yung iba, ang oil po natin is the olive oil. Ito po ay request ng akin tong Jusawa. So, today, madali lang naman siyang lutuin. So, I prepared for his lunch. Kasi hindi po siya nakapagbaon. Today po in our country, napakainit. Dapat nagbabaon siya everyday, pero woke up late. I have to prioritize the kids, yung kanila pang food and everything. So, ayan. So, ito po yung madali. So, before I go to work, prepare ko na ito for my lunch and husband's lunch and kids. So, ayan. Ang dami na siya. And with, damihan mo lang po ng kanin. So, ayan. Rice is live. So, ayan po. So, you can see, hindi siya medyo appetizing sa tsura, but I already tasted it and it's so good. So, ayan, nakita nyo rin po, nilagyan ko rin po ng rosemary. So, I suppose it's a good thing to put. Hindi ko na siya na Google, na YouTube. So, ayan, luto na yan. So, I will be turning off the electric stove. And, ayan, rest mode na ako. I will be preparing for duty in a bit. So, ayan lang. So, ayan, salmon day with love. So, ganyan. Hindi mo sabihin, I love you every day. Kung pinagluluto mo, so, siguro gets na niya yun. Yes. So, let's flip. Ayun. So, it's so good. So, medyo hindi ko po siya minentain yung form ng isda. Okay lang po yan kasi kakat din naman niya, di ba? So, salmon, binagyan lang ng pepper, ng pink salt, ng lemon, a little bit of paprika, a lot of pepper, and heat the pan, just put it. And before I forgot, so pinat-dry ko po muna yung salmon. So yung salmon po dito, binili ko po siya 32 reals. Yung dalawang slice. So I think hindi siya sale. Okay. So ayan. Masarap naman po siya. So ayan. May sabaw po. The oil. Okay. So ayan. Thanks for watching. So you can do it also. It's easy. And I think it's healthy, of course. Okay, thank you for watching. So, till tomorrow, I'll be posting again kung ano yung maluto. So, diba? Yeah. Thank you guys for watching.